What if I told you you could fix your entire life in just one day? Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Impossible. I can't even fix my sleep schedule. But hear me out. You don't need a miracle. You just need one day, one decision, and maybe less time on Instagram. Let's fix your life. For real this time. Let's start with the truth. Most of us aren't broken. We're just cluttered. Our minds are messy, our habits are out of whack, and our goals are buried somewhere between "I'll start Monday" and "I'm just too tired." So today, not next week, not after your coffee, today, we press the reset button. Clean. One room. Yes, just one. Forget cleaning your entire house. You're not filming an episode of Extreme Makeover Life Edition. Just pick one space. Your room, your desk, your car, anything. Why? Because when your space is a mess, your brain feels like it's wearing tight jeans. Clean room equals clear mind. Example, ever notice how good it feels when your bed is made? Feels like you're royalty. Suddenly you're sipping water like it's champagne. Fuel like a grown-up. If your diet consists of soda, energy drinks, and regret, it's time for a change. No, I'm not saying turn into a kale monster. Just eat one decent meal today. Something with color. Something not from a gas station. Eggs, bananas, rice, and veggies, water. Yes, boring. But your brain? It's gonna throw a party. Move your body, even if it's just a wiggle. Don't overthink it. You don't need to run a marathon or do yoga on a beach at sunrise. Just move. Walk around the block. Dance in your room. Do 10 jumping jacks like a confused kangaroo. You're not trying to become a fitness guru. You're just reminding your body it's alive. Motion creates emotion. Trust me on this. Write the "What's Broken" list. This one might sting, but it works. Take 5 minutes. Write down what's not working in your life. Is it your job? Your habits? That weird situationship that's been going on since 2021? Write it all. Get it out of your head. Then pick one thing you can take action on today. Just one. Example, if you hate your job, update your resume. That's it. Just start. Tiny step, huge shift. Talk to someone real. Not a comment section, not a meme. A real person. Call a friend. Text your cousin. Say, "Hey, just needed to talk for a bit." We're social creatures, even if we pretend we're not. You're not meant to fix everything alone. You're just meant to start. Bonus step. Forgive yourself. Here's the part no one talks about. You can't fix your life while dragging guilt and shame behind you like a suitcase full of bricks. Made mistakes? Cool. So has every human ever. Today, let it go. Start fresh. You're not behind. You're just restarting. And today is your new day one. Final words? You don't need 6 months. You don't need perfect plans. All you need is one solid day. One day where you clean a space, eat like a human, move a little, face one truth, and connect with someone. That's how you build momentum. That's how you change direction. So if your life feels stuck, heavy, messy, take a deep breath. Today's the day you fix it.